Welcome to the AI and Future of Work podcast. I'm Marcus Chen, joined by Sophia Rodriguez. Today we're diving deep into Content Pillar Factory, AI systems to turn 1 week into 3 months of content, and how it can transform your life as a digital nomad. If you want to work smarter, earn more, and reclaim your time through AI, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
Let's make this actually work for you. Today's promise is simple. Spend 1 focused week collecting and structuring inputs, then use a reproducible AI system to produce 3 months of multi-format content, ethically, sustainably, and portable across platforms.
Quick hook. Imagine swapping 10 hours a week of content churn for 1 focused 40-hour sprint, and then only 2 to 3 hours of maintenance per week after that. That's what the Content Pillar Factory does. It multiplies output while keeping your voice intact. This changes everything for nomads.
Before we dive in, let's be honest about the pain most nomads feel. Constant context switching, tool overload, and no clear ROI from half-finished posts. You lose momentum, credibility, and time that could be billed or spent traveling. I've seen folks start weekly content routines and burn out within a month because they never systemized reuse.
Exactly. Common bottlenecks, scattered ideas across notes and voice memos, messy transcripts, and a missing repurposing plan. Here's what you lose in that chaos: potential client leads, repeatable products, and passive funnels that could run while you're on the move.
Curious. So what's the AI side of the solution? At a high level, it's 4 layers: capture, synthesize, expand, and publish. Capture means clean audio or notes. Synthesize means structured transcripts and pillar ideation. Expand means turning pillars into multi-format assets. Publish means schedule and automate distribution.
Let's compare tools quickly. For LLMs, you can pick GPT-4o for broad capabilities, Claude for long context editing, or an open llama-based model if you need local control. For transcription, Whisper gives local privacy and decent accuracy, while hosted services like Otter or Rev add convenience and speaker labeling. For repurposing and editing, Descript is great for audio-first workflows, while a template engine in Make or Zapier handles automation to schedulers like Buffer, Later, or a native CMS integration.
Trade-offs to keep in mind. Hosted LLMs are fast, but require data governance. Local models limit cloud exposure, but need more compute and tuning. Use step to catch hallucinations and tone issues.
Time for a live, minimal stock walkthrough. Conceptually, input, a 45-minute client interview or a case study document. Tools, local Whisper or hosted transcribe. LLM for ideation, template engine to expand, scheduler. Sample input, the interview transcript. Sample output at each step, a list of 12 pillar topics. For each pillar, a 1-paragraph summary, 4 post types per pillar, and a 3-email nurture sequence pulled automatically into your email tool.
Here's the exact playbook we recommend for 1 week. Day 1, capture, record interviews and gather core assets. Day 2, transcribe and clean, run a quick human edit. Day 3, ideate, use this prompt. List 12 pillar topics and a 1-sentence value proposition for each from this case study. Day 4, expand. Prompt, turn pillar X into 4 post types: long-form article, LinkedIn post, 3 short tweets, and a 60-second video script. Day 5, repurpose. Prompt, create a 3-email nurture sequence and 5 subject lines from this thread. Day 6, template and batch produce. Day 7, schedule and QA. That's the 1-week sprint.
Here are 3 concrete prompts you can copy right now. Ideation prompt, list 12 pillar topics from this interview transcript, each with a short hook and a measurable audience benefit. Expansion prompt, for pillar Y, write a long-form outline, a 600-word article, and 3 short social captions. Repurpose prompt, from the 600-word article, create a 3-email nurture sequence and 5 micro video scripts, 60 each. Use exact file references or paste the transcript into your prompt window.
Let's look at 2 real Nomad results. Case A, a freelance UX writer who previously spent 12 hours per week on content production. After building a content pillar factory, their weekly content workload dropped to about 2.4 hours. That's an 80% time savings, and inbound leads doubled because they had consistent, searchable content and a newsletter funnel. Case B, a solopreneur who turned one client case study into a 4-lesson mini course and a month of promotional social content in 5 days. The mini course became a lead magnet that increased conversions for high-ticket coaching.
Important potential pitfalls. You can't fully automate authenticity. Risks include hallucinated facts, brand drift from generic language, and over-automation where everything sounds the same. Common implementation errors I see: no audit process, weak prompts that produce fluff, and skipping the human-in-the-loop step.
Mitigations add a mandatory review checklist, keep a living voice and style guide, and run verification prompts like check facts in this paragraph and list sources or flag uncertainty. Prefer privacy-minded tools when dealing with client data, and always export raw assets so you aren't locked into one service. Start small, but think big.
If you want the shortcuts we mentioned, exact prompts, the minimal stack checklist, and the 7-day calendar, download the 1-week content pillar playbook at nomadlifesuccess.ai/pillar. Use those templates, run the sprint, and share your results in our community. Here's the exact prompt/stack again in compact form, so you can copy it and run tonight.
Remember, the human plus AI advantage. Keep your voice in the loop, audit outputs, and respect confidentiality. Start small with one pillar and one channel, then scale. Let's make this actually work for you.
That's our complete breakdown of Content Pillar Factory AI systems to turn 1 week into 3 months of content. Remember, automate the ordinary, amplify the extraordinary. Head to nomadlifesuccess.ai/pillar to access our full AI toolkit, including Dream Guide AI and LifePath AI. While you're there, check out our online courses and audio courses. Subscribe, and we'll see you in the next episode.